Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate GoCanvas with Zendesk. All right. As we all know, GoCanvas right here doesn't have integrations, in their website, but you can go ahead and contact their support and ask for a custom integration. All right. Just go ahead and click on create a ticket right here and ask what you need. Also from Zendesk right here, we don't have any GoCanvas integration available. Okay, and you might be asking, is there a way to integrate these two? Well, there is. All right, you can go ahead and use Zapier or N8N or even Pipedream or Make.com. These websites, or should I say applications, are workflow automation platforms. Okay, and all you have to do is create a trigger and then the event. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to be using Zapier for this example. All right, so first up, go to Zapier.com and create your free account. Okay. And once done, go ahead and go to the top left and click on create and hit on Zaps. Now on trigger, if you want to, you can go ahead and use Zendesk as the trigger. All right. Or you can go ahead and use GoCanvas as the trigger. Okay. For example, I'm going to look for GoCanvas like so, click on it and then just log in with your account. All right. Once logged in, select the trigger, for example, new submission. Okay. Then go ahead over to continue. Configure app name or the form name. Okay, select it. For example, job ticket. Right here, just hit on continue and test the step or the trigger just to make sure that everything is connected. Okay, we have the check mark. That means that it's good. Now go to action, select Zendesk. All right, click on Zendesk. Right here, as you can see, it got a premium plan on it, but you can go ahead and use the pro trial for free. All right. And then upgrade if you like the automation. Now, going back on Zendesk, just sign in to connect your account or to connect your Zendesk account. All right. As you can see here, it is required that you enter the account URL right here. Also the agent email and the API token. So on Zendesk, just go ahead over to your profile or settings right here. And once you're in here, just go ahead over to apps and integrations and you'll be able to see your APIs right here. Okay. API tokens. Just click on it and unlock the API. Add API, add a name, GoCanvas, like so. Save, copy. Now go back to the pop-up right here. Paste the API token, agent email, which is your email, and then the URL. Or your subdomain. Okay. Now to get that URL, just go to home and there you have it at the top. Okay. Just copy everything right here. Ending.com. Now go back to that link like so. Remove HTTPS. Remove these ones as well, starting with a dot like so, and just leave this one, just the name. All right. Once done, just hit on yes. All right. So once your account is connected, just go ahead over to action event. Right here, select an event. Maybe whenever a new submission is triggered, you can go ahead and select add comment to ticket, add text to ticket, attach file to ticket, create a ticket, and some other options in here. All right. For example, create a ticket. Okay. Once that's done, just hit on continue and then configure it. And once done, close it. And after you got a check mark in here, make sure to hit on publish. And when you hit on publish, it activates the workflow, allowing the defined actions to run automatically whenever the trigger event occurs. Each time the trigger event happens, Zapier right here will execute the associated actions in the connected app. All right. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.